In front of me is OPPO Find X2 Pro, and let me show you how to activate automatic system updates on this device. So at first, just open the settings, then find and select additional settings, and here you will notice developer options. Just mark it. Now scroll a bit lower, and here you will notice automatic system updates. So unless it is active, just mark the switcher to turn it on, just like this. And from now on, once the indicator is fulfilled with color, your updates will be applied automatically once the device restarts. So this is it. That would be all. This is how you can activate automatic system updates in your device, in your OPPO. Thank you for watching. Please subscribe our channel and leave the thumbs up.